Hello everyone, welcome back to Bugs Kitchen's channel, and today's video we are going to cook fried rice. It's a simple recipe that you're gonna love it. So I paired with this dried fish and stir fried tomato. And our ingredients are garlic, 2 slices of ham, egg, and of course our rice. So I prepared 1 cup of rice. Of course we need to mince our garlic, and the more garlic the more tastier, but it's up to you. If you don't like the garlic, you can disregard the garlic if you don't like it, or you can add the onion, but it's up to you. But for me, I like garlic in the fried rice. I used 2 slices of ham in here in a cup wide of rice. So we're going to cut it into cubes. In a wok, add 1 tablespoon of oil, and we're going to beat our egg. I add some seasoning soy sauce, a drop of it. I don't put too much, and we're going to fry it. Don't overcook your egg. Just cook it fast one, just like this, and set aside. So we're going to add our garlic. I cooked the garlic in a slow fire until golden brown, and then I took the half of it and set aside, and I add the ham that we sliced, and just stir it. And then I add the 1 cup of rice that we prepared, and then mix it, and then I add some light soy sauce and stir it. I add some salt, around 1 teaspoon, and add some white pepper.
12.
Mix it well, and we're going to add the egg that we cooked a while ago. And it's done. So ready to serve. So I add the garlic that we cook on top for toppings, and there you have it. Thank you for watching. Bye.